Welcome all of you in SST College of Arts and Commerce. This is SST Edopedia. I am Ramandeep Kaur, Assistant Professor in SST College of Arts and Commerce. In this lectures, we discuss kinetic energy and potential energy of performing SHM. Kinetic energy and potential energy of a particle performing SHM. Consider particle of mass m performing SHM along the path AB about mean position O as shown in figure. Dear students, here we have to consider that is the path is AB and O is what? O is mean position. OB equals to OA equals to A. Means O is what? O is mean position. The distance between AO and OB is equals to what? A. The distance between AO and OB is equals to A. And point Q is at distance x from mean position O. And Q is what? It is a distance. कहाँ से distance है? X from mean position O. Now we have to calculate the kinetic energy. After that we have calculate the potential energy. After that we are adding the kinetic energy plus the potential energy. Then we calculate the total kinetic energy. So let's start kinetic energy in SHM. Instantaneous velocity of a particle performing SHM at a distance x from mean position is v square equals to omega square in bracket a square minus x square. Dear students, the first of all we have to calculate the kinetic energy. So we have to know what is the value of v in simple harmonic motion. The velocity is v square equals to omega square in bracket a square minus x square. So kinetic energy equals to 1 upon 2 mv square. This formula we have studied in the school level also. So we are using the basic formula is kinetic energy equals to 1 upon 2 mv square. Now we know that the value of v equals to omega square under root of a square minus x square. Now this value we have substitute the kinetic energy the formula. So it's become 1 upon 2 m omega square in bracket a square minus x square. तो यहाँ पे क्या किया है? The first we will use the kinetic energy formula. After that we are substituting the value of v. That is v equals to omega square under root of a square minus x square. So k by m equals to omega square. तो m क्या है? ओमेगा स्क्वायर की वैल्यू है. So k is what? Omega into m, omega square m. Here we have put the value of k. So the kinetic energy formula is become kinetic energy equals to 1 upon 2 in bracket a square minus x square. पहले आप क्या करेंगे? The first we have to know the value of v. What is the value of v in the simple harmonic motion? Write down that v. After that we are using the simple basic formula which is a kinetic energy equals to 1 upon 2 mv square. After that we are substituting the value of v and rearranging the term and find out the value of the kinetic energy. The kinetic energy equals to 1 upon 2 k in bracket a square minus x square. The equation 1 and 2 are expressed kinetic energy of a particle performing SHM. Potential energy of a particle performing SHM. जो इक्वेशन प्रीवियस स्लाइड्स में हमने इक्वेशन 1 एंड 2 कैलकुलेट किया. जो इक्वेशन 1 एंड 2 क्या एक्सप्रेस करता है? द इक्वेशन 1 एंड 2 एक्सप्रेस द काइनेटिक एनर्जी of a particle performing simple harmonic motion. Now we are calculating the potential energy of a particle performing simple harmonic motion. When the particle of mass m performing simple harmonic motion is at a distance x from its mean position, the restoring force acting on a particle is given by F equals to minus kx, where k is force constant and x is what displacement. Dear students, in the last lectures we also discussed when the f is directly proportional to x and we are removing the proportionality term, then you have to write the constant term, that is minus k, and the minus k is what? It is a restoring force, and x is what? It is a displacement. So here we are using that term f equals to minus kx, and the particle is given by further infinitesimal displacement dx against the restoring force F is the work done dw, displacement dx is, here we are calculating the potential term, so we have to calculate the work done. So dear students, here we have using the formula of work done. So what is the formula of work done? The work done equals to dw equals to minus f into dx. Minus f is what? F is force, dx. So dear students, here we have put the value of force. So minus minus become plus sign. So substitute the value of force, rearranging the term, and we will find kx into dx. What? It is a kx. Minus minus sign क्या हो जाएगा? It is a plus, then kx into dx. Therefore, total work done to displace the particle from 0 to x is, when we are calculating the total work done, अगर मुझे total work done calculate करना है, so we have using the integration. Integration means you have to add all the work done and calculate the final total work done. So the total work done is what? How can you write in the mathematical term? We can write in the mathematical term by using the integration term. So integration term use करने के लिए we are using the integration dw, then we get the final work done. The integration dw equals to integration x equal to 0 to x into kx into dx. In integration term, when we are solving the integration, the constant term is always take outside. So in this equation, the k is what? It is a constant term. So write outside in the integration, the equation become equals to k integration x equals to 0 to x into x dx. K क्या है? K is my constant. So we take outside. So total work done is represented by the capital W. Capital W equals to 1 upon 2 k x square. X square, after that 1 upon 2 m omega square x square. Integration of x raised to n dx. Here we have using the integration of x raised to n dx. The formula of x raised to n is what? X raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. अभी यहाँ पे इंटीग्रेशन x dx है, तो x की पावर क्या है? What is the power of x? Is 1. When we are using the basic formula, that is x into n plus 1 upon n plus 1 into dx. So here we are using the same formula, that is x 1 plus 1 becomes square upon 2. So the w equals to 1 upon 2 k x square. Now the k is what? M omega square. K का वैल्यू क्या है? M omega square. Now we are substitute the value of k. The work done is become 1 upon 2 m omega square x square. Work done is stored in the form of potential energy. The potential energy equals to 1 upon 2 k x square. Now k is what? K m omega square x square. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पे के का मिस्टेक है, सो यू कैन एडजस्ट देम. 1/2 m omega square x square. Thus, the potential energy is directly proportional to the square of the displacement. The total energy of the particle performing SHM is sum of its potential energy and the kinetic energy. The first we have calculate the kinetic energy. After that we have calculate the potential energy. Then we are adding the kinetic energy plus potential energy, and you have to find out the total energy. So how can you find out the total energy? पहले आपको काइनेटिक एनर्जी की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी पड़ेगी. आफ्टर दैट यू विल फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ पोटेंशियल एनर्जी. आफ्टर दैट वी आर एडिंग दिस टू टर्म, देन यू विल गेट द टोटल काइनेटिक एनर्जी. सो टोटल काइनेटिक एनर्जी इक्वल्स टू काइनेटिक एनर्जी plus potential energy. Here we have substitute the value of kinetic energy. Then kinetic energy is what? 1/2 k in bracket a square minus x square. और potential energy क्या है? plus 1/2 kx square. Kinetic energy plus potential energy की value को substitute किया. After that rearranging the term. How can you rearrange? अब bracket है k a square minus x square. Open this bracket, that is 1/2 k in bracket a square minus 1/2 k x square plus 1/2 k x square. So minus plus is term cancel out. 1/2 minus 1/2 x square plus 1/2 k x square cancel हो जाएगा. The remaining term is what? 1/2 k a square. So total energy is represented by E equals to 1/2 k omega square a square. k का वैल्यू क्या है यहाँ पे? m omega square. So you can write here the E is equals to 1/2 m omega square a square. This expression for total energy of a particle performing SHM as m omega square a square are constant. The total energy of a particle performing SHM remains constant. It is independent of displacement x. Dear students, हमने total energy को find out किया, ठीक है. वहाँ पे k m omega square. So वहाँ पे k नहीं आएगा. You can write m omega square x square. This is what? This is my total energy. So k is by mistakenly printed. So you can adjust them. तो यहाँ पे क्या है? ओमेगा इज इक्वल्स टू वॉट? 2 पाई एफ. ओमेगा क्या है? 2 पाई एफ. सो माई टोटल एनर्जी इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय 1/2 m in bracket 2 pi f whole square a square. So whole square 2 into 2 का whole square is what? It is a 4. So 4 take outside, m 4 in bracket pi f square a square. So 2 to the 4, then equation become 2m in bracket pi f whole square a square. So as 2 and pi square are constant. इसमें 2 और pi square क्या है? आपका constant. So total kinetic energy, the total energy is directly proportional to mass f square a square. The total energy of a particle performing SHM from equation, the first is it is directly proportional to its mass. The total energy किसको directly proportional करेगी? The total energy is directly proportional to mass. And the second one is the directly proportional to square of frequency of oscillation. The third one is directly proportional to square of amplitude of oscillation. Dear students, in this lectures we have discussed the kinetic energy and the potential energy of a particle performing simple harmonic motion. तो यह लेक्चर में आपने क्या सीखा? The first you have to calculate the kinetic energy. After that you will calculate the potential energy. So kinetic energy calculate करने के लिए we need that is velocity. Velocity का फॉर्मूला आपको पता होना चाहिए. When you know the formula, then you can write the basic formula, which is kinetic energy equals to क्या है 1/2 mv square. After that you can substitute the value of v and rearrange the term and find out the kinetic energy. In the potential energy, how can you find out the potential energy? मुझे potential energy find out करनी है, तो first of all you have to know what is the work. Work का definition क्या है? That is force into displacement. When you put the formula of force into displacement, F की value put कीजिए. After that we have calculate the total work done. So total work done we have to represent in the mathematical term. When you are representing in the mathematical term, then you have to integrate them. When you integrating that equation, after that you will find out the total work done. Now you know kinetic energy, the plus potential energy. So after that we are calculate the total kinetic energy. So how can you calculating the total kinetic energy? You will adding the potential energy plus the kinetic energy, add them and find out the total energy. And this is my what? टोटल एनर्जी की आपको वैल्यू पड़ेगी. तो यहाँ पे क्या हमने सीखा कि टोटल एनर्जी की वैल्यू को कैसे फाइंड आउट करना है. थैंक यू.